In this video, we're going to be looking at dictionaries in Python. Dictionaries are essentially a collection of key value pairs. So you create a dictionary by enclosing key value pairs inside of a curly braces. Let's say we'll have students, and then we'll have an equality sign, and then we'll put curly braces. So let's say we'll have something like name, and then we'll put a colon. So this name represents the key, and after the colon, the next thing that follows the colon is the value. So I can call this value Kelvin. So this is a dictionary consisting of only one item, which is in form of key and value pair. We'll have the key as the name and the value as Kelvin. So we can add another item to this dictionary. Let's say we'll have age, and then we'll put a colon, and we can have, let's say, 21. So we'll have this pair, which is name, and the value is Kelvin, and then we'll have the age, and the value is 21. So let's include another one. Let's say we'll have gender, and the value we can have male. So if you want to create an empty dictionary, you can have something like this is equal to, you just put an empty curly braces. So this is an empty dictionary. So now we're going to learn how to access items in a dictionary. So if I say print, and then I provide the name of the dictionary, which is students, and then I put a slicing operator, and then I provide the key, let's say name. If I run this program, it's going to give me the value that is associated with the key. If I want to find the value that is associated with the age, I can change this name to age. And if I run it, it's going to give me 21, which is the age. And then if I want to see the gender, I can change this to gender, and then run the program. So it's going to give me male. So apart from using the slicing operator alongside with the key, you can also use the get method to access items from a dictionary. So we're going to use the get method. So to do this, let's say I want to get the name. I can say something like name is equal to, then I provide the dictionary. So in this case, we'll have students, and then I use a dot operator and then say get, and then I provide the key, in this case, name. So if I print name and run this program, it's going to give me the name, which is Kelvin. So you can use either the slicing operator or the get method to access items from a dictionary. So now that we've learned how to access items from a dictionary, we're going to learn how to update dictionaries. So if I want to update the values in a dictionary, I can do something like, I can say student, and then I use a slicing operator and provide the name, and then I can now assign it to a different value. In this case, I can say Andrew. So if I now print the dictionary, which is student, and run this program, as you can see from the output, the name has been changed to Andrew. So this is how you update the values in a dictionary. So now we're going to be looking at some important methods for dictionaries. So let's start by defining a dictionary. So let's call this one fruits. And then I provide the curly braces. Maybe I can say apple. And then I provide a value, let's say 20. Then I can have grape. Then I can provide a value, let's say 12. Mango. And then I provide a value, let's call this one 22. So if I want to get all the keys that are contained in the dictionary, I'm going to make use of the keys method. So if I say print and then I say fruits dot keys. So if I run this program, it's going to give me all the keys. In this case, we'll have apple, grape, and mango. If I want to get the values, I can change these keys to values, so that if I run this program, it's going to give me the values, which is 20, 12, and 22. Then if I want to have the key value pairs, I'm going to change this to items, so that if I run this program, it's going to give me the key value pairs. In this case, you can see apple 20, we'll have grape 12, we'll have mango, and 22. So now we're going to learn how to iterate or loop through the items in a dictionary. So we're going to use the for loop to loop through the items in this dictionary. So if I say for fruits in fruits and print fruit, if I run this program, it's going to give me all the keys. In this case, we'll have the apple, grape, and mango. So this is the same thing as saying fruits.keys. So if I run this program, it's still going to give me the keys. So, but what if I'm interested in the values? What I need to do is to change these keys to values. So if I say fruits.values, and then run this program, is going to give me the values, which is 20, 12, and 22. So I might as well want to print out the key value pairs, and for me to do that, I have to use the items. I'm going to remove these values and change it to items, so that if I run this program, it's going to give me the key value pairs. So dictionary is a very important data structure in Python. In the next video, we're going to be looking at sets.